Hey, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to show you yet another mango recipe in mango season, which is typically May and June, and May before the rains come for the king of mangoes, which is the Alfonso mango. Hey guys, Dr. Nene here. I practice as a cardiothoracic, vascular, and general surgeon, and I'm now a health tech innovator who wants to improve lifespans and lifestyles. So stay healthy, stay curious, and keep watching. And so this recipe is very simple, 5 minutes or less with 3 ingredients or less. We're gonna use 2 cups of mango in a blending vessel. And this thing's been finely chopped, but you don't need to chop it because the blender does everything. Now, if you're in the US or somewhere else where you don't get fresh mangoes, you can always use mangoes which are pulped, amras as we call it, which you can buy at the local Indian store. Next, I've got a cup of blueberries. Why blueberries? They're healthy, they're full of oxidants, and they're very, very good for you. And then to make it a little more thin, I add about a cup of almond milk. This is more than a cup, so I'm gonna add half of this. And we can always decide to add more. There you have it in there. I'm gonna latch this on. So now you've pureed it, basically. You're gonna pour it in. So there you have it. A few mint leaves, fresh, from my friendly neighborhood grow wall. And then we've also got about a teaspoon of chia. The chia adds a little bit of texture. It's not a great recipe until you have family to share it with, right? And so I've got a good one. The theme of this series is and we're in the middle of mango season, and this is the king, right? So I'm gonna give you a spoon, because I'll give you a whole cup of it if you like it. Another one for you. And so this one I made for you because bananas don't suit you. And so this one has hapus amba, Alfonso amba, and it has blueberries in it.
Sounds very
and it
exciting.
has chia seeds.
Wow.
And it has mint. So go ahead.
Yum.
Have a spoon and
Just
tell me what
looks
you
yum.
think.
I mean, if I could, if I could eat this every day.
And I put
would.
almond milk in it, so it's a little more loose. So you can put protein powder in it if you want and have this as a protein drink. What do you think of this as a protein drink? You could also freeze it.
It's just that if you put whey protein in it, might get really thick.
Oh, I would put plant-based protein, pea.
Either or.
Just titrate it to the amount, right?
Yeah.
Don't put much in. Just to add a little added kick of protein, because this is full carbs. So I would say this is your perfect antioxidant. Antioxidant after you work out,
Yeah, no, micronutrition.
right?
This is great.
And so what do you think?
It's amazing.
All right.
I don't know about the nutrients and all that. It tastes.
The macros are there. And then with the mint,
And I
did you
love
get one
chia
with the
seeds.
mint?
It's actually a lot runnier than I would expect, but then again, that's also probably.
That's the almond milk. Well, there you go, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends, and hit the bell icon for more recipes. I've got a few more coming at you. The next one's even better still. So I'll see you soon. Enjoyed?
Yeah.
Loved it.